Hello everyone, it's Christmas has come early this year. I'm not a huge fan of mirrorless, I have to admit it, it's just too small. I played in the past with the A7R III, and it was a fantastic camera, if not for the fact that like all the buttons were small and the camera was small. I'm used to DSLR like with lots of buttons. They look very professional. It just works for me. Eventually I had to give up and I had to move to this system. That sensor is a 61 megapixel monster with that dynamic range. The lenses are amazing, but I can't wait to get into the field and start shooting with this baby. First, we have to open it up. Okay, this is fine. Buttons are easy to reach. This is a good one. It's the joystick. Not used to having the exposure compensation here, but that's alright. I mostly use cameras on a tripod anyway. It's not a big deal. I'm not a fast shooter. I can take my time. Ooh, this is a big sensor. Very close, like it. I'm curious to see it with a big lens. I will definitely get the vertical grip for the few times where I hold the camera. Yeah, it tilts okay. It's fine for this kind of shots. I'm gonna miss a little bit a fully tilted. It's right, I used it a few times. It's not a gigantic loss. I ordered the adapter because I only have alpha lenses. I have to buy into the system. I started with a 70-200 because I like the intimate landscape and that lens is amazing. And I have a really, really good 16-35 that I will just adapt from the alpha system. And definitely I'm gonna give it a go to the 24mm. Everyone says that is an amazing lens. But yeah, it's okay. Not too bad. Can live with it. I'm gonna try it the first time in a week when I get the adapter first. And when I'm gonna go to the mountains here in California. I'm gonna go looking for waterfalls. It's gonna be a great test for the dynamic range. It's gonna be really good for the resolution. Until then, see you next time. See you up in the mountains. You're gonna be with me. Bye.